Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video today we are going to discuss about life cycle of a fragment in Android. What is life cycle of a fragment? What is life cycle? So life cycle is a methods called by Android system from starting of a fragment to until it is getting destroyed. Lots of state is there for Android fragments. Android OS is keeping track of those state for the fragment and it is giving those states to the developer when we are developing the application. So according to the state of a fragment we can take some decision, okay, from our side. So that is why life cycle of a fragment is coming in. So this life cycle is a set of methods called by Android OS. We can use those method to get state of a fragment, current state of a fragment. Let's see what are the methods are there. Same like activity, fragment is having its own life cycle. In activity we have on create, on start, on resume, on create, on start, on resume, on pause, on stop, on destroy is there, right? Along with that some additional method is there when it comes to fragment lifecycle. What is that? Because fragment is attached to our activity, right? And attach is there. If attach is there, detach also is there, okay? Fragment, because of fragment is rendering particular part of UI, particular part of a view. On create view is there, on view created is there. When it comes to creating a view, there might be a option to destroying view also, destroy view also there. So when it comes to rendering a UI, right, fragment will cross all of this lifecycle state, starting from attach to, starting from until it is detaching from activity. There are lots of methods are there. First one is attach. What is attach? When we are adding a fragment to existing activity, attach method is called at first. Create. After fragment attached to activity, it will create that instance and all supported classes. It will give a callback to this function. Okay, here we can initialize all our supported classes and all. On create view, as we discussed, fragment is responsible for creating a particular portion of UI. Okay, what is that UI? That is this UI, fragment view installation for this. You can add your layout here, same like activity we are giving layout file, right? In fragment we are going to give some part of UI so that it will render on top of a screen. Once our view is created, this method will be called on view created, so that we can confirm our view is 100% created. Followed by that, on start method will be calling. Here the view is becoming visible to the user, and followed by that on resume is there. Here we can make sure our view is completely visible to user and user can interact with it. Same like on pause is there, on stop is there, on destroy view, destroy and detach is there. Here on destroy view, fragment is responsible for creating a particular view, right? So view creation is there, same like view destroy is also there. Since fragment is attached to activity, attach method is there. Whenever another fragment is attached, right, on top of existing one, current fragment is detached, so detach is there. So these are the sequence of life cycle methods. Whenever our fragment is on resume state, we can make sure it crossed all of this method: on attach, on create view, on view created, on start. Once it is passed, we can resume our fragment. Once it is stopped, we can restart our fragment. Once it is destroyed, we can create our fragment. Once it is completely detached from activity, we should attach it from again. Okay, so these are the sequence of lifecycle method of a fragment. Let's take an example. Go to our coding part, just close other tabs so that you will not get confused. Okay, this is our activity. This is our previous sample. Inside that sample we have one fragment container. This gray color is the fragment container, under which we have a two button. When I tap on first button, one fragment is attached in this layout. When I tap on second button, another fragment is attached in this layout. Okay, so go to first fragment. I have used all my lifecycle callbacks for the fragment 1, and under all the method I have added logs. This is same for fragment 2. I have added logs under all of the lifecycle method that we have discussed. Now when I tap on first button, I am adding a fragment 1 and I am going to see what are the lifecycle methods are called. When I tap on fragment 2, I am going to check what is happening to first fragment, what is happening to second fragment. Okay, with respect to life cycles. Let's see, I'm running this app. Okay, app is up and running now. Go to Locket. Make sure you are on the right emulator and the correct app selected. I'm filtering with fragment tag. Okay, under every log I have tag fragment. So I'm searching with fragment. Now I click on fragment 1. Okay, let's see what is happening to fragment 1. These are the lifecycle methods called. Before it is visible to user, it is added, this fragment is getting added, attached to the existing activity using onAttach method. Fragment is creating its supported classes here and View is creating here. It is completely created, becoming visible to user, and it is completely visible now. Okay, it is visible. When I tap on button 2, what is happening? See, when I tap on button 2, I am replacing a fragment. Okay, first fragment is already there. I am removing that fragment. In that place I am adding second fragment. So come to that part. When I tap on second button, what is happening? Fragment 1 goes to paused state and it is goes to stopped state, and fragment 2 is attached, View is created, and it is started. Fragment 1 is completely destroyed, see, and fragment 2 is resuming. So this is how lifecycle methods are called by the system when user is interacting with the fragment. I hope this video will be useful for you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Let's meet in the next session.